Alright, this is video 2 of my back to school kind of get ready. So after complexion, I do like to go into eyebrows and eyelashes. It just makes me feel a little bit more put together, and if I'm like, oh my god, I really need to get out of the door, I need my eyebrows. So we're gonna quickly do that. Get your favorite eyebrow pencil, eyebrow gel, whatever you like to use. Let's do your eyebrows. So I'm taking the CoverGirl brow pencil. In the meantime, I am just gonna do a quick fill in. Now, depending on like the thickness of your brow or whatever your brow routine is, you could do a powder, you could do a pencil. I like to do a pencil because I need to mimic some of these brow hairs that I don't have. I do recommend like getting your eyebrows shaped by a professional. This way you can have the best eyebrow shape for your face. If you guys want a video on how I do my brows, like shaping them and everything, let me know. I can definitely do that for you. I like to keep brows kind of natural. I don't like anything too thick. Once you master your eyebrow shape, this will only take you a few minutes in the morning. It's not something that you have to spend so much time on. But like I said, I do recommend getting them shaped or shaping your eyebrows yourself. All right, now this is the time where I would say, if you're gonna use liner, do it. I like to do liner before mascara. I'm gonna use one of my favorites. This one's from Makeup Forever. It's the Artist Color Pencil, and it's in Dimensional Dark Brown. You don't have to be perfect with this. Sometimes what I like to do is just do a nice thin line on the lashes, because that is gonna give the illusion of a fuller lash. And it's gonna give my eyes just a little definition. So you can just go very lightly across, and if you take your finger and you just smudge it, see how this already looks like I have more lashes than I do? And it just softly defines the eye. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Tip. Put your elbow on the table so that you have a nice foundation for yourself. You're basically just anchoring your elbow on a table. Also, if you make a nice thick line with this pencil and you smudge it out, it can double up as an eyeshadow. I don't care what your favorite mascara is, grab it. My absolute go-to, and I have backups of this is my second one, is the JudyDoll Metal Rod Mascara. I will never be without this mascara. Let me just say that. I have very straight lashes and it just keeps them up all day. So now you're gonna curl, get your favorite eyelash curler. I'm using the one from Tweezerman. I like it because they have ones for round eyes, almond eyes. There's something for everyone. See what a difference like just curling your lashes does? And then go in with your mascara. This one, once I put it on, I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the day. So like if you want like a recommendation, I guess, this is my favorite one. And the fact that it's only like, it's under $10, and sometimes I get mine on YESSTYLE. I'll link it down below. You can get it on sale for like $7. So I stock up when I get this. It has like little tiny fibers that go onto your brows and just your lashes, and it just adds length. Like this is a nice difference from mascara on without mascara. And I like that it's still like very natural looking. Wait, my eyelashes fell on this side. These lashes will stay up all day. I like when I can use a product that I put on and then I can just forget about it. I do recommend though at night when you're gonna wash it off, use like an oil-based cleanser, a cleansing balm, something to remove like waterproof makeup, because it stays on all day. So now you can stop here and go to school, do your errands, whatever. Like I'm okay with this. I'm okay with like if I'm like, okay, that's all the time I had because I slept in, I gotta go. I'm okay with leaving like this. It looks good, I look put together. I definitely look better than when I started the series. But in the next video, we're gonna cover a little bit of bronzer, blush, and maybe a little lip. So look out for that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.